Hello, welcome back to Physical Science Online. Today's little video is just going to be on a little thought experiment for you. Something to kind of do in your notebook to think about before we dive into our topic, which is what changes motion. So what I'm hoping is that some of you have some background knowledge, some of you might be able to make some predictions, some of you might be able to, just as I go through some examples here, catch on to what I mean by changes in motion and what causes those changes. That's the hope, that's our goal today. Nothing's really getting turned in, you're just kind of thinking with this first little intro video. So what I mean by changing in motion? Well, we usually think of something, an object as either being still, like if you stand still or sit still, or being in motion, moving along, going in some direction, heading somewhere. Those are the two states that we normally think about an object. However, in order for something to have gotten moving, it needed to be still first, or in order for something to be still, it needed to be moving first. So there's always this change. There's a change from being still to moving to moving faster, from moving in one direction to moving in the other direction. That's what I mean by change in motion. So what causes that? What causes something to slow down, speed up? Maybe you got an idea. Maybe you've heard of the word energy before. Maybe you understand that friction is the major thing that causes things to slow down or not move as much here on Earth. Maybe you've heard of, if I just let something drop, just grab a little notepad, shot, the gravity. Gravity changes motion. Yet gravity is pulling me down right now, and I'm not changing. I'm not going through the floor. So what's going on there? What causes changes in motion? Where do we get? How can a car stay at 70 miles an hour on the highway and yet come to a stop at a stop sign? How can a bird glide through the air? How can a fish swim through the water? How does it go from resting to motion, from moving along slowly to attacking a frog and getting it? I don't know if I'm thinking of a bird or a fish there. It probably could be both. What causes these changes in motion? That's my intro video here. Just want to get you thinking, get you in the right frame of mind. What causes these change? Where do we get this from? What is it called? What are their names? What are some examples of them? That's what I'll leave you with this first video. Happy thinking. See ya.